Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to go into the Harbor Freight screwdrivers. I'm going to show you a clip of all the screwdrivers that they had available there at Harbor Freight when I went, and I really hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to show you the clip first, and then we're going to discuss price, what I think of the screwdrivers themselves, and I would like you guys to share your thoughts as well if you've used them. Other than that, I'm going to start off by saying that every single screwdriver set that I looked at there in Harbor Freight is made in China. I did not see one set that was not made in China. So keep that in mind. If you're anti-China tools completely, the screwdrivers aren't going to be for you. Okay, so the first one that you saw in the clip is going to be the 32-piece Pittsburgh set. $8. It's the set that I had. It's extremely cheap. The handles are extremely awkward. I don't know what exactly the material is. It's very awkward. That's the only thing I can say about it. It comes in a really cheap blow molded case, and that's it. I don't like them, but once again, if you're just doing one job here and there, like once a month or something like that, and you need a set of screwdrivers around the house, it's probably going to be just fine for you. If you're doing quite a bit of work, just step it up. They have, cheap tools all over the place, or I should say inexpensive screwdrivers out there that will, you'll be extremely happy with, and you won't break the budget. Next up is the 12-piece orange handle. It's $7. It's kind of a cool little tri-lobe handle design. I thought that was kind of cool. Seems like a decent set. Then you have the 33-piece Pittsburgh red and black set. It's 11 screwdrivers, and then the rest of the 33 pieces are the bits and stuff. So that's going to run $12. That's what they call the Comfort Grip set. Never used them before. If that's the set you have, please let me know what you guys think. Next up is the 15-piece Quinn set, and that's going to be $25. This seems like a pretty nice set. The handles seem nice all around. A decent price for a decent looking screwdriver set. Next up is going to be the 7-piece Pittsburgh yellow handled screwdrivers for $6. Then you see the 8-piece striking magnetic set. It's $5 to $8. Seems like a really cool screwdriver. I like that it's got the striking cap and it's a magnetic screwdriver. Not that you can't magnetize any screwdriver you want, but it seems like a decent little set, especially for the price. And then they have their extremely long screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. I can't remember if you buy them in a set or buy them individually, but either way, I don't use those super long screwdrivers. Anytime I'm using one of those, it's not as a screwdriver. It's as a small pry bar or trying to pick at something. It's never to actually use a 3-foot screwdriver. That's just my thoughts on it, though. Next is the 8-piece blue Bolster set. It's $12, and it's bolstered on the back. You got the hex pattern on the back of the handle, so it almost looks like a striking cap, and then you can put a wrench on it for a lot of torque. Now, don't get me wrong, for the price, it seems like a really nice set, but I don't ever remember having a time where I needed to put a wrench on a screwdriver. If I did, like a brake drum screw that holds the drum in, or like a caliper or a rotor onto the hub, I've always just used an impact driver, just because you don't really have to hold the screwdriver into the screw and do it. You just hit it and it breaks it loose. The problem with this style is you have to really hold it on the screw and loosen it. Well, at that time, if the screw is that tight, most likely you're just either going to strip the Phillips head out of the screw, or you're just going to pop out the screw head. But either way, seems like a fairly nice screwdriver set. But that's all the screwdrivers there at Harbor Freight. They have a couple sets that are decent priced and seem decent. Like I said, the one set that you see first, that's the set I had many years ago, and I hated it. But then again, if you're only doing a couple jobs every now and again, it's probably going to be okay for you. But with the prices of all these, you could go with any of them, really. Other than that, that's all I really have is screwdrivers. Just remember that not a single screwdriver there that I looked at said Taiwan or anything else but China. They were all made in China. Just be aware of that. Other than that, please let me know what you guys think. Let me know your thoughts on Harbor Freight screwdrivers, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys have any other video ideas, and if you haven't, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.